Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some pork shoulder country style ribs. So let's get toasting. I have a package of pork shoulder country style ribs here, which they're not actual ribs, they're just pork shoulder cut into strips to kind of resemble ribs, I guess. So these were $2.49 a pound, $12.18 for this package. I cooked 2 of these last night in my toaster oven in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. So I squeezed 2 in the pan last night, so probably can cook both of these here. I'm going to just season them up with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper here. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I'll flip it over and do the other side, and I'll do the same thing with that one. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. If you can use a regular big oven, I would probably use a lower heat, maybe 350. And I'm going to cook these for probably about an hour. It's been 45 minutes, so I'm going to check on these. Those look pretty good. I think I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them. These look good. I have some Kinder's Mild barbecue sauce here. Hopefully there's enough. I bought an extra bottle, but I realized it was marinade and not barbecue sauce. I bought the wrong thing. So, just dump this on and brush it on with this little brush here. I'll put these back in there with the sauce on them for a couple of minutes, let the sauce caramelize, and then we'll try them out. It's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how these look. Those look good. I'm going to get them out of there. These smell good. This one has a bone. I don't think this one has a bone. Let me see if I can just cut it in half. Just cut it right in the pan here. See how it looks on the inside. Oh yeah, it looks good. Let me cut a piece off here. Let's try that out. That's good. And he's got the hound dog nose going over here. Guess he woke up, smelled something. There you go, Annie, want to try that? Not bad, huh? Well, those were good, and they're pretty easy to cook. They cook for about 45 or 50 minutes, but cooking time may vary a little bit just depending on your oven and how you like them cooked. They're a lot cheaper than regular ribs too. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.